How to enable slide to shutdown feature in Windows 11. Let's dive in. First things first, right-click on an empty space on the desktop. Select New and click the shortcut. Type in this code, slide to shutdown.exe. Click on Next. Give the name for the shortcut like slide to shutdown and click on Finish. Now the setup for this shortcut is completed, and the shortcut is created on your desktop. When you double-click on this icon, it will launch slide to shut down your PC. Then you can click and drag the window down, or also you can press Enter key to shut down your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. See you next time.